Welcome to Digital Ignite. Artificial intelligence, AI, has touched every aspect of our life. And there are several AI tools at our disposal that may make a variety of daily activities easier. These artificial intelligence solutions can assist you in streamlining your work processes, increasing productivity, and making your life easier. Here are a few of these AI tools. Grammarly. Grammarly is an AI-powered writing assistant that offers real-time grammar, spelling, punctuation, and style recommendations to assist people in becoming better writers. It also has an integrated plagiarism checker. There are desktop, mobile, and web versions of the app. For everyone who writes frequently, Grammarly can make life simpler. Crystal. Crystal AI aids in improving interpersonal communication. It can prevent miscommunications and guarantee that messages are understood as intended by offering customized communication advice based on a person's personality type. It can provide personality-based advice for each email, phone conversation, and meeting. With the help of industry-leading personality data, it gives sales representatives, recruiters, and executives strong tools to accelerate key interactions. Otter.ai. Otter.ai is a transcription tool driven by AI that can convert audio and video recordings into text. It also makes it simpler to follow conversations because it recognizes speakers and distinguishes between distinct voices. It is a useful tool for students, professionals, and anybody who needs to take notes fast and accurately, as it can transcribe conversations, interviews, and lectures, automatically capture slides, and generate summaries in real time. Waze. Waze is a GPS navigation app that gives users turn-by-turn instructions to get where they're going. In order to deliver real-time traffic and road information, Waze collects data from its users. Users can submit reports of incidents such as accidents, gridlock, road closures, and other occurrences, which are then utilized to update the app's maps and offer more precise routing guidance. Duolingo. Duolingo is a free language learning app that uses AI to assist users in learning a new language. The interactive, entertaining, and gamified courses offered by Duolingo are made with an emphasis on user engagement. Each user's language learning is personalized using a combination of AI-powered features. It is one of the most popular language learning apps in the world and offers courses in over 40 different languages. Beautiful.ai. Users may quickly and simply create presentations with a professional appearance and eye-catching visuals using the Beautiful.ai platform, which uses generative AI. Users can choose from various pre-designed templates and input their material. The platform will then automatically alter the style and formatting to produce a professional and unified appearance. It eliminates antiquated processes that reduce productivity, allowing employees to concentrate on more crucial tasks. Canva. Canva is a free graphic design software that generates design suggestions based on artificial intelligence that can assist companies and people in coming up with designs that complement their innovative ideas. Users can tweak a variety of templates and design components to produce designs that seem professional. Thanks to the tool's user-friendly interface, users can effortlessly drag and drop items into the canvas, give them their own customizations, share the designs, and collaborate with others. Brain.fm. Brain.fm is a unique AI-powered music platform that aids users in focusing, relaxing, and sleeping better. It uses sophisticated algorithms and methods like auditory driving and cross-modal perception to produce music that is personalized to the listener's needs. It accomplishes this by aligning the brain's electrical activity to the frequency of the music. Users can use the platform's library of diverse songs to aid in activities including meditation, work, sleep, and study. GoCharlie. GoCharlie is an AI-driven content generator tool that assists businesses in producing high-quality pictures, influencer posts, advertising, and blogs. It can create captivating images or videos for websites and social media, blogs of more than 1,500 words, social media captions, etc.